Hello everyone. In this video, we we are going to build an Active Directory and create domain. Also, we are going to create organizational unit, structure, create users, a backup domain, and other tasks. So let's begin. I already create the Windows Server data center uh, 2025. I download the file and I'm here, the RDP session. Well, for that, and for make the things easier or and faster, I separate some scripts in PowerShell that will help me to build this faster. So let's begin. And the first instance, we need to install the Active Directory. In other videos, I use it directly in Tools and Manage. But here we are going to use the command line. So let's use install Windows feature, selecting AD domain service, and then include the management tools. This will collect some data and processing the creation. Okay, so let's wait some minutes to set up everything. Okay, it's finished. As we already created we install this domain, this Active Directory. Uh, we can see that here the flag is enabling the notification to promote this Active Directory to a domain controller. But we can do the same here in the prompt command. And yes, so the domain name as requested in sign success.carp, the domain NetBIOS name in sign, and let's now press enter. And for that, we will need always to put a password, right? So I'm putting this one, and now it's installing the Forest. Okay, so here we got an error that said verification for domain controller promotion failed. Okay, it's in progress. Okay, so let's do that. Let's just promote it here. And we need a forest, add a new forest. Ah, okay, let's restart this. Let's reboot the server. Maybe this will drop the connection. Okay, this is already expected. And let's wait some seconds until, okay, let's click again, connecting. Server is up. I will try the PowerShell script again. Okay, now it's installing the forest. Okay, I think this is expected. Because at this moment we don't need the DNS server. So this is expected, those warnings. Done. Yes, now the reboot is mandatory. So let's just reboot computer. Okay, we need to wait some time to access using the RDP again. Okay, let's open again our PowerShell. And let's confirm if our domain was already created. This part of the video is the more uh, slowness, slow. So, okay, it's already created. As we can see, the name Insign Success, NetBIOS name Insign. Okay, this is good. Okay, now as a part of the video, we need to create the unit organizational unit structure. And I separate again another command that I'm going to explain this. Uh, Importing the module Active Directory, we create Insign Success here, the path, the organization units staff, managers, advisors, the IT team, and admin accounts. Okay, and for that we now need to see if everything was created created as expected using the command get and add the organization units filtering everything, and this will give us a name. So this is okay. This is not good. Maybe mm, let's see if we can find another alternative for this. If not, maybe we can see directly in our. Okay, Okay, yes, this is the command. So the main controllers, inside success, staff managers, advisors, IT, and admin account. This is good. Um, and let's move on. Now we need to create the users. Um, First, yeah, we will need to create a secure password. Let's use this command. Um, this dollar password is going to be the convert secure string or secure password and convert it as a plain text. So let's hit enter. Also, I'm going to clear this for better visibility. And for now, after the password, we need to create the center manager. What it means, yeah, is where we are going to put the users and email, okay? And we are going to point our password that we created before. Okay, then let's create the people from the advisor team. Okay, seems to be good. Now from the backup domain admin, this is very important. The, the name is going to be admin backup, sorry, backup admin, and account name this. Let's press enter. And the domain admins is going to be very simple. Add group member. This is very important. It's not the same. It's not like a user. Okay, it's different. So good. Let's prove now if everything was well created. Maybe this command is not going to work. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe I need to change how to prove using the prompt command. So let's see if we can use this. Okay, so this is the advisor team, the the backup admin, and the center manager. We will need this later. Okay, so the next step is to create a security group. Okay, so let's put this command, and now we need to add those users. Okay, add the users to a group member. Okay, so the advisors to the advisor group, the the manager to the manager group. Okay, so let's copy paste. Good. So this is our structure. We already create the groups. We assign the groups for them, and by now we moving to the, yeah, maybe we can try to see if the members, yeah. let's see here in our server, um, users and computers. This is the structure. We got the domain, the insane success, which we can see the IT staff. Um, from the staff, we got the advisors, managers, and the IT, the admin accounts, which we can see the backup admin. Okay, so moving on to the next step, we are going to, okay, let's clear this, create some shared folders. Okay, let's press enter for the last one. And yeah, let's see if we can see those well created with this command. Share, share. Okay, so we got what we got here. We got the design success. Okay, maybe it was not well created. I'm going to use it every command. Okay, this already exists. To share it, which is the default. Okay, this already exists as well. Okay, this is good. Advising. Oh, okay, this is the file. The advising, the final advising text. And the admin report. Okay, all of them were well created. So let's clean this. And now we need to set the network transfer file service. And we are going to use the iCal caucus. And then we point the folder and give the permissions to Instant Advisors group. Okay, so 0 files were failed processing. This is good. And for the next, the same. So we got advising documents for the managers group and for advisors group. Okay. Let's see if we can improve this in a different way. Maybe this is, yes. So we got here the managers and the advisors. Awesome. Now for the admin reports, it's quite the same. 0 failed. Okay, now let's prove it if it's showing us. Okay, the managers group is here. Perfect. Now let's share the folders. This is just our final step for the transferring. Okay, great. So this, what we got here is the advisors group has a modify and advising folder, and the only managers group had the admin reports. Okay, so let's move on. Well, now we need to set up a strong password policy. So this is very important for security. So we got the set Active Directory default domain password policy, the identity that we create before. The minimum password length is going to be 12 characters, and the complexity it's enabled. Okay, as true. Okay, no errors. Let's see if we can prove it. Maybe not. Yeah, it's expected. Maybe I need to put some space here. Let's see if I can get some alternative command here. Okay, so we got the default domain policy, default domain controllers policy. Hmm. After that, we are going to create a desktop wallpaper policy. This is very simple. So first, we are going to we can just create a folder using this command. Okay, good. In the C drive, and yeah, we can put a logo inside of the wallpapers folder. But for the policy that is requested, we are going to use this new GPO, and here for the desktop policy, which target the staff people. So the wallpaper must still be configured in the group policy management and the user's configuration, desktop, and desktop wallpaper. Okay. Now let's see if it's linked to our group. So let's put this command. Hmm, okay, it's not recognized. Recognize it. Let's use this instead. Okay, maybe this step is not working, but for the record, yeah, we're just going to move on to the next step because I got some issues here. And this is a very simple. This is a browser homepage GPO, and we're going to use this command. New GPO is going to be called GPO Insign Homepage, and it's going to be linked to our organizational unit is the staff people. This is good and good. The next command is very important to force the group policy commands. Sorry, I need a space here. Maybe this will take some time. And perfect. Let's clear this and use the group policy result. Here we got everything of our policies. Domain name, the applied group policy created, the computer is part of the user settings. Okay, so this is all for now. Thanks for watching. We have done our best here. Some steps were well done and others not. So it will require some troubleshootings. But thanks for everything. See you next time.